wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make me emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make me emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make me emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. 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 I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. So this unit was sent to me from Myfirstwigs.com. So they recently started making their units in 200% density. So they did send this one to me. It's like a body wave pattern that I received. I did co-wash this out so I can straighten it out a little bit and make it more of a sleek look. Now this is 20 inches long and it's 200% density. And this is honestly a true 200% density. This unit is so pretty. When I was straightening this out, I was like, wow, this is really, really nice. Now you guys know me if you watched me for a long time. I'm not a big fan of silky straight texture. This one is not that really Barbie silky straight texture. This kind of has like a little bit of a light yucky texture to it, which kind of gives me like a little bit more hope for it. Now I did not curl this out or do anything. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight. It straightens pretty bone straight, which I really like. I love units like this for the winter time. It's just a really nice simple unit, and the fact that this is 200% density just gives you more warmth for the winter as well too. I have been really into like these really thicker density units just because when it comes to textures that are silky straight and stuff like that, if it's not 200% density, it just looks really thin and frail. So for this one, the company did an excellent job, and on top of that, they did give that nice about 5 to 6 inch parting space that I absolutely adore. So I did show you guys as much as I could with this parting space on this unit so I can give you guys a full look. So as far as the cap construction goes, everything fit my head very precisely. I'm a medium to average cap size, so everything was perfect. So I did glue this unit down using the got2b glue method. Very quick, very simple. This method usually lasts about 2 to 3 days tops. If you're really someone that wears makeup and you're washing your face a lot, these little sides will lift up immediately. But for me, it's just a quick style just because I'm running through reviews. So I'll wear this for about 2 to 3 days and then I'm off to the next unit. So it lasts and it sticks for, you know, a good amount of time. Now I do think that they did a great job as far as customizing this unit ahead of time. They did pre-tweeze it, they pre-bleached it and did all all that kind of stuff. So my work wasn't a lot. So that's why this company is definitely made for first-time wig wearers and wig buyers. I honestly and truly did not do that much with this hair review. It was really, really simple and really, really easy. So it's definitely something that you can achieve if you just don't know what to do with your hair. And if it's the first wig you're buying and you have no clue, this company definitely gives you a wig that's going to be easy to manage and easy to style and put together. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing anything from myfirstwigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.